Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Classic on the menu today, stir fry, chicken broccoli, Asian Chinese style. So easy, very popular. Let's go and do it. Okay, so let's take a look at the ingredients we're using today. Obviously we're using our chicken and broccoli, sliced onions, oyster sauce, ginger, garlic, black pepper, and then optional, just for a bit of colour, some carrots and some bell peppers. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. You may notice that we're not going to be using any salt because the oyster sauce is very salty. So we're going to need a wok or a frying pan or something. I've got in there a touch of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You need to get this on a high heat. Everything we're going to do is on a high heat. So we're going to start off by dropping in our ginger and our chopped garlic. Just for a few seconds, let's cook that. So I'll just infuse that oil a little bit, just give it a lovely flavour. Then we're going to add in our chicken. So chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. And we're going to throw this around in the pan, stir frying, moving it about for about 4 minutes. Okay, so our chicken has changed colour, as you can see. We're now going to add in that black pepper and our onions. So in go the onions, black pepper. We're going to stir fry this again now for 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, this is coming together really nicely. It's dried out a little bit. Onions are cooking really well. Time for the other star of the show, the broccoli. Cut that in nice kind of florets, as you can see. I'm also now going to add in those carrots, those optional carrots, and the bell peppers. Now I like a kind of crunch on my vegetables. If you want them cooked more, you might want to add some water in here to help them cook faster. But for me, I'm going to dry fry this. We're going to go for about 4 more minutes on this high heat, stirring all the time. So once you're happy with the crunchiness of your vegetables, I like I say, nice and crunchy like this, we're then ready to add the last ingredient, which is oyster sauce. And like I said earlier, this is why we're not putting in any salt. So just for like 1 minute now, stirring, get a nice coating of that everywhere. We're pretty much done. Okay, I've just turned the heat off, and that's looking absolutely wonderful. If you want some fresh cilantro or coriander in there, or maybe some fresh chili or some chili flakes, I'm keeping this just like this. But that's it, super easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon. Lots of stir-fry love.